Hey guys, Anthony here, and in this tutorial I'm going to do a comparison between the modular and preset video templates in Reevio. If you haven't yet, I'd encourage you to watch this tutorial to get a better understanding and an overview of Reevio Video Maker. So in Reevio, you will come across two main types of templates, modular and preset, and in order to do this comparison, I will be using the event promo video template as an example. The reason being it comes both in modular and preset versions. So I'm logged into my Reevio account. Let me go to the Promo Templates tab, where you will find both the event promo templates. Let's start with the modular template. So I'll click on the Customize button, and you will see this dialog box. You will also notice that it displays modular here, and it has 16 scenes. I'll click the Customize button, and it'll open the video editor. The first thing I want to point out is this Add Scene button in the timeline below. And if I click on it, it'll open a new window with all 16 scenes. For each scene, you will see these two buttons to preview and add the scene. So let's just say I want to add these 4 scenes. So I'll click the Add buttons for each of the 4 scenes. And the scenes will be added. And I'll close this window to go back to the editor. As you can see, the scenes have been added in the timeline below. If I hover my mouse over a specific scene, you will see these two buttons to delete and clone the scene. So I'll delete the first scene. And as you can see, we are now left with 4 scenes in the timeline. I can also rearrange the scenes by dragging and dropping if I want to. I'm just going to leave them as is. And then I can start editing the template. Now let's go back to the Promo Templates tab, and this time we'll take a look at the preset version. I'll click the Customize button, and it'll open up this dialog box for the preset version. This version also has 16 scenes. I'll click the Customize button, and it will again open the video editor. This time you'll notice all the 16 scenes have already been pre-populated in the timeline. Also, there is no Add Scene button, so you cannot add, delete, or rearrange scenes in this version. All you can do is edit each scene in the template as is and then render the video. So there you have it, the difference between modular and preset video templates in Reevio. In a separate tutorial, I will show you how to use the video editor to edit templates. But if you've got any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.